Hi, Dave with Tornado here. This is the Vortex Multi-Surface Scrubber. We're gonna take it out of the box and build it. You're gonna love it, no tools. Let's take a look. Here's what you'll find in the box. Base of the machine, handle assembly, operation manual, solution tank, electric cord, handle assembly knobs, and multicolored brush indicators. All right, now that we got everything out of the box, let's build it. First thing you're going to do is remove this cover that's covering both of the brushes. That's just for protection and shipping. The next thing you're going to want to make sure to do is grab your handle, and you'll notice the cord wrap is on the back of the machine. So I'm going to turn the machine so I'm behind it, and then slide the handle into the two holes on the base of the unit. I'm going to take my bolt, washer, and screw it into the bottom of the machine. You want to make sure that these are tight so the handle doesn't wobble around on you in operation. Next, find the hole right above the foot lever for your power cord. Insert it. And now we're ready for the solution tank. The solution tank has a lip right here that fits on the back of the machine. So you're going to angle it on there, just like that, and then it locks right into place, nice and easily. Next, take the solution hose, quick disconnect, plug it right into the side of the solution tank, and then our power pump cord, we're going to run up the back of the machine, and you'll notice there's holders built all the way up, and it plugs in right here. Next, take that power cord and just run it up into our cord strain relief. Make a loop, slide it up in, wrap it around that tab right there, and then just kind of snug it tight. And that's going to allow this the freedom it needs without pulling you along on the machine. The last thing I want to point out is these 4 cord hooks in the back. You want to flip them out. They're spring loaded. Take the cord, start wrapping them up. And now your Vortex is ready to go.